Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today is the grand finale of the November Year of the Make-Alongs 2025 Make-Along. So this month was preparing gifts and donations. You guys rose to the occasion. Once again, there were so many amazing projects. So real quick, we know mine, Project Christmas Blanket. So I finished the corner to corner. I have one row left to add on the solid granny. I have not touched the hexagon blanket, semi-intentionally, but I have the next 4 rows laid out. It is ready for me to work on, but that will be my December thing. I also did get started on the final blanket. So all of those will be pictures either here on the screen now or however I decide to do that when I upload it. I've got to edit this tonight or tomorrow, so it huzzah. The pictures are done. I took the pictures before I came up here to film, but anyway, let's see what you guys worked on this month. So again, like I have said with previous months, thank you guys so much for participating with me. We do officially have the 2026 make-alongs ready to go, not 2016, 2026. Although I wish I could turn back 10 years of time and be 10 years younger again. No, that's not how linear time works, and we are trapped in the linear time space here. But we will have Year of the Make-Alongs 2026. So here, either this week or next week, we should have the announcements of what all of the mouths are going to be for 2026. We do have some repeats, we have some new things, and we have a new overall concept that will cover our stashy goals. So I hope you guys will join me next year as well. This has been a lot of fun for me. I love seeing all the projects that you guys are making. It keeps me on track. I know that these like check-ins have been very helpful for a lot of other people, as this year we did focus very heavily on using our stash, what we had hidden from ourselves, and looking at our stashes differently. So next year, we'll have some extra things, some different things. We'll play around with some things, see how that all works out. But I cannot wait to see what you guys work on for December. If you didn't see the December announcement this month, December is for your choice. Based on the past 11 months, what was your favorite? And I've already had a couple of you guys say you have a project that you're working on that covers multiple months. Do share, because I still want to see them. Even if you can't say, oh, this is finishing a WIP. Just share, because I want to see your projects. I love seeing what you guys are working on. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful, fantastic day. As always, I look forward to seeing you guys real soon. Bye, guys.